What is up, guys? I'm in the M2 competition. Yes, I am. It's so nice, but also so very, very fast. Whoa. So I'm on my way now to go fetch a young man who is a big BMW fan. I'm gonna go surprise him with this car. We're gonna meet his mother at his school, and then we're gonna go for a spin in the M2 competition. So here we go. What's your favorite kind of car?
Is this car?
What do you mean this car? Like BMWs or like?
Just BMW.
Which way do you live? You're gonna have to tell me where to go, or we're gonna just go for a drive.
We're driving.
You're gonna go for a drive? Hang on! Do you like fast cars or slow
I
cars?
love fast cars. Those colors on the belt.
Oh, the BMW Motorsport colors.
My daddy always wanted to put stickers like that on our BMW.
Do you think it'll look cool?
Yes.
Yeah, that. Feel that? That's called woven carbon fiber. It's stronger than metal.
Oh, I wanted to ask, is this your job?
What do you mean?
To just do those videos and rap cars,
Yeah. Weird, eh? It's weird that this is a job.
Yes, very weird.
Would you want to do this job?
Yes.
Why?
So I can drive all the nice cars?
Same reason I do this job.
Like you never get bored of the feeling.
No, you never get bored of the feeling. Never. We do. That's why I'm an old man and I'm still doing this stuff. Because I never get bored of the feeling. So this one's got two modes here. M1 mode and M2. M1, if you press a button again, then it's like normal, efficient, and we're driving around, going to the shafts. M2, then that happens.
It goes like a manual mode.
Wow, how did you know that?
Because I could hear you're getting down.
Yeah, okay. Someone knows the lingo. So of the engines, what's your favorite engine?
The 2JZs.
The weird thing is that the new Supra, yeah, the old Supra had the 2J in, right?
Holy f***ing shit!
The new one's got a BMW engine in it.
What?
Yeah, I know, right?
Toyota with BMW.
Yep.
That doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't. But it works though, so. How much do you think this car costs?
700,000.
Nope. Try again.
800.
Nope.
More. What? Is it more?
This one, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this one was 1,026,000 rand.
That's a lot of money. That was mine. And I bought me this car.
Where are we now? I have no idea where we are now. Don't you know where we are? You live here?
No, I don't.
Oh, we're at the back here. Okay, wait. I think I know.
I've never been here before.
You wanted to drive around, so.
But I didn't say drive around and get lost.
This is true.
One day, I was on my way back from a gala.
What's a gala?
It's
Like a swimming gala?
competition.
You do well.
Yes, very well.
Oh, if we ever do go swimming at the beach sometime, if I can drown, are you going to be able to save me?
Of course.
Okay. I promise.
Promise. Just because you picked me up in this car?
Okay, so I'm picking up this car, you saved my life. I think that's a fair trade. I think that's fair. Hey?
The car is quiet. It's so quiet. It drives so fast.